Good morning, student. Today we discuss a new chapter of the second part of chemistry. The chapter is hydrogen, a most important chapter of the second part of the book. This is the hydrogen. We know well about the hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most common compound, a gas. We know well about the hydrogen. Commonly we call hydrogen hydrocarbon, and we used hydrogen in daily life, like in the form of H2O or in the form of our feeds like food. We know food have glucose, and glucose contains C6H12O6 hydrogen, and in water two molecules of hydrogen are added, and so many hydrocarbons like fuels, gases, methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6, butane, C4H10, which are the component of our daily life fuels. These compounds are also contain hydrogen as supplements. So we today discuss about the hydrogen. We know the symbol of hydrogen. Symbol of hydrogen is H, and this H means one H. This H presents the atomic form of the hydrogen. Atomic form of hydrogen is presented by H, and the molecular form of hydrogen or molecular formula of hydrogen is presented by H2. So this is the basic difference in H and H2. H is the atomic form or atomic formula of the hydrogen. Means if we see the atomic hydrogen or hydrogen atom, so we write it in the form of H. H means H is the presents the hydrogen atom. Means if anyone say to you hydrogen atom, what is the formula of hydrogen atom? So we reply in only H. And if anyone ask you the molecular formula of hydrogen, so it is right as H2. Means H2 is the molecular formula, and H is the atomic formula of hydrogen. And hydrogen contains one proton, one electron, and zero neutron. Means number of proton in hydrogen is 1, and number of electron in hydrogen is 1, and hydrogen contains 0 neutron. So the full presentation of hydrogen can be written as 1H1, where this one means base of the symbol, the number which is written in the base of the symbol is present the atomic number of the element, and the number or digit which right above the symbol is presented the atomic mass of element. Means this digit present the atomic mass of element, and this digit present the atomic number of hydrogen or element. And hydrogen has two isotopes. This is 1H1, 1H2, and 1H3. 1H1, 1H2, and 1H3. Here we know that this all ones 1, 1, and 1. This is the atomic number. And here these numbers, this is 1, 2, and 3. This represents the atomic mass. So we see that these examples have similar atomic number but different in atomic mass. Similar atomic number but different in atomic mass. So these examples are called the isotopes. 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. And this can be written as protium. This is also called protium. This is called deuterium and this is called tritium. Tritium. Protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium is a simple hydrogen. This is called also called heavy hydrogen, and this is called the radioactive hydrogen. Light hydrogen, heavy hydrogen and radioactive hydrogen. So this is, and the next, now we discuss about the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of hydrogen. Electronic configuration of hydrogen. Hydrogen, this is 1H1, means hydrogen have only one electron. So electronic configuration of the hydrogen of any element can be given by two forms. First is the Bourbary form, in which we give the electronic configuration in cells, means cell L, K, L, M, N, these cells. So the electronic configuration according to Bourbary rules is written as 1H1, sorry, only one. And the electronic configuration or modern electronic configuration of the hydrogen in orbital, electronic configuration of hydrogen in orbital is written as 1s1, where this one is present the cell of hydrogen or cell of element, and this S is present the orbital. And we know that we have four main type of orbital. This is the S orbital, P orbital, D orbital and F orbital. S, P, D and F. These are four orbitals. And hydrogen have only one electron in S orbital. So this number is present the number of electron. This number present the number of electron. So again I tell you that I learn the electronic configuration of hydrogen. Electronic configuration of hydrogen in orbital is written as 1s1, 1s1, where 1 is the cell, this S is the orbital, and this one is present the number of electron. And we know that hydrogen have only one electron, so the electronic configuration is written as 1s1. And next we discuss the position of hydrogen. In periodic table. Position of hydrogen in periodic table. Hydrogen have 1s1. If we read the demerits, of hydrogen according to the demerits of periodic table in Mendeleev periodic table or modern periodic table, then we found a most common line. The demerits of all periodic table is written as the position of hydrogen is not fixed. We read the demerits of hydrogen, demerits of all periodic table as we read the position of hydrogen in periodic table is not fixed. What is you mean by this line? Not fixed. Hydrogen position of hydrogen. We know we have 108, more than 108 element, and all elements have like sodium, lithium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium, are helium, neon, argon, krypton, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. So many elements. All elements have a fixed position. Fixed position in periodic table means the group of element or the period of element is fixed. Means this element or any element have a fixed position in periodic table, but hydrogen have not a fixed. Like we have some example. If we discuss the sodium, we can say that sodium is situated in third period, and sodium is situated in S block, and sodium is situated in first A group. This is the fixed position of sodium. Like sodium, all elements have a fixed period, fixed block, and fixed group. Like another example, we discuss the chlorine. Chlorine is situated in third period, and P block and seventh A group. So this is the position of chlorine in periodic table. Similar, all elements means all 108 plus elements have a fixed position in periodic table, but hydrogen have not a fixed position in periodic table. Now you can ask me what is the position of hydrogen and why the position of hydrogen not fixed. So first I tell you what is the different position of hydrogen in periodic table. You read the periodic table. Periodic table have such type of diagram, rough diagram. This is the S block, this is the D block, and here we have a two lines of 28 element. This is the F block, and this one is the P block. S block have two groups. This first is the first day and second is the second day. S block have two groups, first day and second day. Similar, P block have 6 groups. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 group. D block have 10 group. Here 6 group, and these 6 groups are third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A. This is the seventh A, and this is the 0 group. Total 18 group in periodic table. 2 group, first day and second day in S block. D block have 10 group, and P block have 6 group. And the hydrogen is filled in first day, and similar hydrogen is situated in seventh A. Means hydrogen have two positions. Hydrogens have two different positions. First position of hydrogen is this is the S block, S block and first A group and first period. This is the first position of hydrogen, and similar second position of hydrogen is P block, seventh P block and seventh A group and first period. So it is clear from this explanation that hydrogen have two different positions. First position is the in S block, first A group, and second position of hydrogen is in P block, seventh A group. So we can see it clear, hydrogen have not a fixed position in periodic table. And in next class I tell you why the hydrogen are situated in two different groups. What are the features, what are the qualities of hydrogen which can be defined as the hydrogen have two different positions, first A and seventh A. So thank you.